Do you want to know how to make your money work for you? Do you identify as an entrepreneur and want to help others reach their goals? Get Schooled is here right now to help you unlock the 6 keys to your career in business and finance. In this video, we will discuss how to use the 6 keys of this career path to unlock your future, so stay tuned. Before we jump in, you know what it is. Hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you can stay up to date with when we drop fresh content. Careers in business and finance can be wide-ranging. This career path includes human resource specialists, personal financial planners, accountants, and tax specialists, market research analysts, business owners, and entrepreneurs. Pretty much every industry and business sector needs finance and business specialists, so you'll find roles like accountants, financial consultants, and operations specialists in everything ranging from sports teams to government to nonprofits to multinational banks. The skills you'll learn in this career path can ensure that you can work almost anywhere. Like we've already shown, businesses and finance careers can range quite a bit. At the end of the day though, businesses, companies, governments, and nonprofits all need to know where their money is going and how to create a sustainable future for their business. So most jobs include things like financial reports, future-looking analysis, and the ability to be super detail-oriented. Every cent counts. These types of roles also have a keen eye towards making things run smoothly. Operations and human resource professionals make sure that their companies have the right people with the right tools to succeed every single day. The median salary for this career path is about $70,000 per year. That means that there are some roles where you can expect to make less than that, and some that you may be able to make a whole lot more. For example, if you wanted to get into human resources, you could start as an HR assistant making around $38,000 per year, but you can move up the ladder as a specialist making $51K, then a manager making $76K, then a vice president of HR making up to $150K per year. There are some fields like financial advising, accounting, and banking where you will need a bachelor's degree and a credential or license to practice. However, these kinds of fields will be able to earn at least $100,000 per year before too long. There are some entry-level positions within the business and finance world where you may not need a college degree at first. These might be interns, coordinators, and assistants with a little bit less of a barrier to entry. However, if you wanted to be in charge of other people's money, like a personal financial advisor, or in charge of how companies get things done, like an operations director, then you will likely need at least a bachelor's degree. Many jobs also require credentials to ensure that you know the laws and practices around financial security for your clients and your company. Common degrees in this field are economics, business management, accounting, and mathematics. Career growth in business and finance fields are often fairly structured, especially within larger companies, where you're going to need to climb from one position to the next as you advance in experience and potentially gain credentials and licenses. For example, if you wanted to become a market analyst and help companies know which products to make and how to best communicate with your customers, you may start off as a marketing intern and then work your way up every few years as a coordinator, research analyst, financial analyst, and then a full marketing business analyst. Alternatively, you may start off as a market research intern, become a marketing coordinator, and finally a marketing analyst. Each of these steps may come with a new company or more education. The types of skills that successful business and finance professionals obtain are sales, marketing, attention to detail, knowledge of economics, entrepreneurial spirit, empathy, and analysis. Within this field, there are more human-centric roles such as human resources or financial advising, which may lean more heavily on your communication and empathy. But there are more analysis-driven roles like accountant or loan officer where you can lean into your math and critical thinking skills. As always, thank you so much for watching and hearing about the 6 keys to your career in business and finance. Be sure to follow Get Schooled for more ways to explore your career path and get help getting there. It's a big world out there full of opportunities and challenges. You've already come so far in your life, and at Get Schooled, we want to help you get even further. Please don't hesitate to reach out to us on our text line at 335577, our social media, or our email. Let us know what you want to see and how we can support you. Big love.